Today we are going to unbox this Bluetooth speaker, which is by Tribet. It's a gift wrap, come from Amazon. So let's start it. In Europe, it's considered one of the best portable speaker, which has two speakers. And here it is. These are the specifications. So this is Tribet Maxsound Plus portable wireless speaker, which comes with a extra bass sound. Let's see. So this is Tribet, and let's unbox this speaker. So the main features of this speaker are it's waterproof, microphone was attached, extra bass, as I told you. It's a long life. It's showing that it's will work for 20 hours, and we will check out the superior sound later. So the box contains one speaker. This is Tribet portable speaker user manual, showing different languages, and it has some $1 UNICEF charitable fund card that they donate, and you are the owner for this charity. And also we have this review support card along with the speaker, with the money back guarantee in 30 days and replacement warranty for 18 months and lifetime support guarantee. You have to register on their portal website to extend for 12 months extra warranty. And this is the speaker. It's Tribet Maxsound Plus. It can be connected with the aux. Here it shows support with the aux and 5-volt direct connections. It looks nice. It comes in different colors, so let's check it out. This is the speaker with the maximum bass, and they have the extra bass. The newest model have separate button for the extra bass. And so this is our new Tribet waterproof speaker. Subscribe us, and we will show you its sound in our next video. Thank you.